In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to WhatsApp status. First, grab your phone and make sure you're signed in to WhatsApp. From your home screen, open the WhatsApp app. You'll land on the Chats tab by default, where you normally see your conversations. To get to your status, look toward the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your phone, and tap on the tab labeled Status or Updates. This is the section where you can share temporary posts that disappear after 24 hours. It's a great way to share quick moments, announcements, or just something fun with all your contacts at once. Once you're on the status screen, look for the option to add a new status. Usually, you'll see a camera icon or a text like My Status with a plus sign next to it. Tap that to start creating your new status update. Your camera will open, and from here you have two choices. You can record a fresh video by holding down the capture button, or you can upload an existing video from your phone. Since we're focusing on uploading a video you already have, look for the little gallery or thumbnail icon, often in the corner of the screen, and tap it. This will open your phone's media gallery. Now, browse through your videos and tap on the one you want to upload. When you select it, WhatsApp will open a preview screen. Here you can trim the length of the video by dragging the sliders at the top if needed, especially because WhatsApp status only supports short clips at a time. If your video is longer, you can choose the most important section or plan to upload it in multiple parts. On this same screen, you can also add a caption at the bottom. This is optional, but it can help give context, add a message, or include a short note for your contacts. You'll also see options to add emojis, stickers, or draw on the video if you'd like to personalize it a bit. When you're happy with how everything looks, tap the send or arrow button to post it to your status. WhatsApp will upload the video, and it will appear under your status section, visible to your contacts based on your privacy settings. You can tap on your own status to preview it and make sure it looks the way you intended. That's all you need to do to upload a video to your WhatsApp status.